The ultimate secret to automotive dual-beam optical lenses is here. This is the S500 3.0 dual direct shooting headlight lens, hailed as the invincible artifact in the automotive lighting field. 99.9% of peers haven't fully grasped its commercial potential yet, but you have the chance to seize it first. The S500 features super intensity long-range illumination with a range of up to 1200 meters, with double convex surfaces, high optical efficiency, a small sunbeam pattern, and the combination of an 85 West high power output and high-performance 6+1+1 chips. It boosts brightness by 500% and increases road coverage area by 100%. In heat dissipation technology, it achieves perfection. The bottom-mounted 7-blade silent fan tackles heat dissipation challenges both quietly and efficiently. It allows for DIY customization into left-hand drive versions, right-hand drive versions, and flat cutoff versions, ensuring easy adaptation to any vehicle model. Purple copper heat dissipation, combined with internal copper sheets, enables rapid heat conduction, while multiple ventilation openings further enhance breathability and cooling efficiency, providing a solid guarantee for the product's stable performance. The adaptability of this lens is simply unbeatable. Crafted from aluminum alloy, it is not only sturdy and durable, but also boasts a lifespan up to 500 hours, a tremendous attraction for car owners. With 3 lighting modes for seamless switching: low beam plus high beam plus laser, and laser only mode. This is a rare opportunity you won't want to miss. You might regret passing it up for a long time act now.